Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust date and time settings in Android 15 beta. To adjust date and time settings, go to Settings, then scroll down to System, Date and Time, and now you can disable automatic date and time to set date and time manually, and you can change it to whichever one you'd like. Okay, when you want to go back, just enable set time automatically. Now you can change the time zone. You can set it automatically based on your selected region. You can enable use location to set the time zone when you're traveling, and you can also disable manual time zone and now choose a region, for example United States, and select the time zone. To go back, click on Select Automatically. You can also change the time format by disabling Use Local Default, and you can disable or enable 24-hour format. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.